All right, guys, it's me again. I'm going over this other code. This is for the fifth generation Hondas, the 1997s, the 1994s and 1997s. And I have mine taken apart because I'm going through all the codes that I get for the D4 code. So I had an issue and this car completely stalled out. I got code 1, 3, 8, 13, and 14. So I'm just going through the sensors and checking them out right now and then cleaning that up right there on the throttle body and taking care of that. Now, for what this video is about, I wanted to go over is code 13 and 14, D4 code 13 and 14. Everywhere you look on the internet, they'll say it's a bad ECU or it's a FAS wire, the brown-white wire is getting a misconnection, and they're right, that is a possibility. But the first place you should check is right here. You should take this. First place you should check is right here on the ECU. So you just go right here and you check it. The ECU, which is right there, it's that second one. And you can see I got a new fuse in there and the number's a little bit bigger. But you want to check that and make sure that fuse is not blown. Because if you get that fuse is blown, you'll get a D4 code 13 or 14 or both. More likely you're going to get code 14, and the ECU cannot communicate with the TCU. Your car will not go anywhere. That's a fuse. So if you're ever in trouble and that happens, you got flashing D4 and it just won't do anything, it just turns over, you could try that. Pull one of these fuses out of here and stick it in there, and that might work right away. But I'm just putting this out here because this information is not here. Nobody anywhere on the internet or in the forums tells you to check the fuse on that. So here was my fuse. I pulled it out, and you can see that it's broken. So I was getting code 13 and 14. So if you go on the internet or you go on the YouTubes and you get D4 flashing light for the 5th generation Honda, code 13 or 14, I would go check your fuse real quick before anything right there, and I would do that first. All right? Talk soon.